Anthony Devlin in the house. Oh, praise the Demigod. Yeah, baby, in the house. What's wrong with you people? Demigod in the house. Where you at, folks? Where you at, Bradenton? Yeah. Welcome to the show. Welcome. Shut up. Welcome to the show.
Weighing in at 235 pounds and standing at 6'1", we have Billy Bob Hill.
Hiya! It's Big Turkey time! I'm done, come on, get it! Let's go, baby, let's go! Hang on, I'm thirsty. I know it's great, mama. There we go! Not you! Anybody? There we go! Oh my God! How y'all doing tonight? Hey y'all! When I say move, y'all say shine! Move! Shine! Move! Shine! Move! Shine! Thank you. Hey, you know what time it is, right there, Devlin, old boy? What time is it? It's Pentecostal time!
Well, you heard what the man said. It is Pentecostal time. It's time for our first match of the evening. Billy Bob Hill versus Demigod Anthony Devlin. And we are underway here at UCW and Live. There we go. I'm a new Demigod. Even though I know that you guys are very familiar, but I mean, both these guys are old school and both these guys are pretty wide as you go off. Straight to the shoulder and taking it. So we got a chance to see Billy Bob Hill last fall at UCW versus 35. And I remember the splash on these videos. I remember the festival that Demigod himself ran with the three separation. He never had to fly until the break happened. Look at the speed. The speed is going on.
Big tough attack!
Come on, get off the road, go! Bob has that mountain strength. He's got that mountain strength. He's got that boom sound strength. So you gotta stay on top of him. Otherwise, he'll bounce back and crack you in half.